Best time-saving tools for print-on-demand sellers. Number 1. The Batch Replace Smart Objects plugin. This powerful Photoshop tool automates the creation of mock-up images. Instead of manually replacing images in each mock-up, you can specify the Photoshop document, the input folder of your artwork images, and the output folder for the final mock-ups. Click Run, and the plugin will handle the rest, generating all your mock-ups automatically. It also allows you to save and run multi-step operations, perfect for creating several different mock-ups for each product. Number 2. Shopify apps that automatically create Google Shopping feed listings and Pinterest pins for every product in your e-commerce store. These apps are huge time savers, especially if you have tons of products. Just make sure to have SEO optimized descriptions for each one to maximize visibility and sales. Number 3. The Bulk POD Product Creator. This tool allows you to completely automate the creation of new products for your print-on-demand store. It creates the products themselves, and it also uses AI image recognition to generate SEO optimized titles, descriptions, and tags for each new product. Number 4. Social media posting tools like Loomly. These allow you to schedule backlogs of content and also cross-post to multiple platforms simultaneously. Tools like this also prevent you from getting sucked into the algorithms and black holes of social media, letting you focus more on productive work. Last on our list is a simple pen and paper to make a focused to-do list. Most people waste time aimlessly stumbling through their day, hopelessly distracted and scattered, at best bumping into a productive task or two almost through sheer accident. Instead, keep a clear written list of your top priorities to focus on each day. Identify the few key tasks that determine most of your results and make sure to focus all your time and energy on just those tasks. This clarity can significantly boost your productivity and help you achieve much better results.